Today we will talk about order of operations involving whole numbers. First of all, let's learn this little sentence, and it will be very helpful. P for please, E for excuse, M for my, D for dear, A for ant, S for Sally. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now, P stands for parentheses, brackets, fraction bar, absolute value, those kind of grouping symbols. E stands for exponents, like 2 to the second power. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. But when you see multiplication and division, you do them from left to right. Aunt Sally, A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. And when you see addition and subtraction, you do them from left to right. So it is very helpful to remember this little sentence, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That will help you with doing order of operations with whole numbers. So let's go to the next page. Let's say I want to do this. And let's write this P-E-M-D-A-S. And I know multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. When I see them, I'll do them left to right. Now I have an exponent and subtraction. Which one do I do first? Exponent is first, so I do 3. 3 to the first power is 3 minus 2, and that will give me 1. So let's do this problem. I have an exponent, I have an addition. Which one do I do first? I'll do the exponent. 2 to the third power is 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. Now, I want to do, this is another grouping symbol. It means square root. What two numbers multiplied, the same numbers multiplied, give me 16. 4 times 4 is 16, so square root of 16 is 4 minus 1, 3. Now when I see this, 2 square root of 9 plus 1, there is a multiplication here. And there's an addition here. Which one do I do first? Multiplication, addition. Of course, multiplication. But this one, square root, is a grouping symbol, so I do that first. So I have 2 times 3 plus 1. Multiplication, addition. 2 times 3, 6, plus 1, 7. Oops. Now let's do this problem. 0 to the first power is 0, plus 8 minus 7. 0 plus 8 is 8, minus 7, 1. Alright, now I want to do a couple of other problems. Let's say, I'll just make them up. I have a fraction bar. Let's say I end up with this kind of thing, and the fraction bar works as a grouping symbol. 2 plus 3 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now you can also have something else with the fraction. Let's say I have this, and then I will have to the 0th power, and then I have 1 divided by 1. 3 to the 3 minus 2, so this is grouping symbol. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 to the 0th power is 1. Minus 1, that's 0, divided by 1. And remember, when you have 0 on top, divided by 1, that'll give you 0 as well. So there are a couple of little tricks that you can use. Let's make one up, kind of a big one. 3 times 2 to the square minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Alright, so here you do the parentheses first. 2 to the second power is 4 minus 1. You can put as many steps as you want and rewrite the ones that you didn't touch. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now I have 3 times 3 divided by 3. Now I have a multiplication and division, and then subtraction. Which one do I do first? Multiplication, division first. But since multiplication and division, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, from left to right situation, you have to do them left to right. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Minus 1, 2. So these are very powerful tools that you can have. So let's add 2 more that are somewhat difficult. I have an exponent, I have an addition, multiplication, addition, division. Alright, so I'm going to do the exponent first. So you have 2 to the second power, that's 4, plus 8, plus 7. Now this is a grouping symbol, so I'm going to group the first one. 3 plus 1 is 4, divided by 4. Let's go one more step. Now here you have a addition and here's multiplication, so you do the multiplication first. 4 plus 8 plus 7 times 4, so this is 4 divided by 4, you do them left to right. So 7 times 1, 7. So you have 4 plus 8 plus 7. So you have 2 additions, you can do them left to right. 4 plus 8, 12, plus 7, 19. Let's try another one. So you have a multiplication here, addition, subtraction, multiplication here, another multiplication here, and as an exponent. So I'll do the ones that are done first. 15, 3 times 5 plus 10, because multiplication is before addition. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 times 2 is 2, minus exponent is before subtraction, so 2 to the 0th power is 1. So all I have right now is addition, subtraction, so I do them left to right. 15 plus 10, that's 25, minus 4, 21, plus 2, 23, minus 1, 22.